The probabilities for all the different outcomes of a given scenario must add up to 1. So the probability that something happens plus the probability that same thing doesn't happen equals 1. And this is really the concept of the complement. So the complement of an event is the opposite of that event. And there's really two different notations. It's either A with this symbol, which is read A prime, or we can say not A. So both of these mean the complement or the opposite of A. And the probability that an event happens plus the probability that the complement happens is 1. So this leads to 3 true statements. The probability of A plus the probability of A complement is 1. The probability of A is equal to 1 minus the probability of A complement. And the probability of A complement is equal to 1 minus the probability of A. If we roll a die, the probability that a 3 is rolled is 1/6. What is the probability that a 3 is not rolled? So this is a complement, and to find this we want to take 1 minus the probability that a 3 is rolled. So 1 minus 1/6. And this is equal to 5/6. And this should make sense because the other 5 sides of the die are different numbers. The probability that it will rain tomorrow is 38%. What is the probability that it will not rain tomorrow? So in addition to fractions, probabilities can also be expressed as percents and decimals. So I want to express this as a decimal. So instead of 38%, 0.38, and I'm going to subtract that from 1. So 1 minus 0.38 is 0.62, which is 62%. And just to recap, if there's a 38% chance that it will rain tomorrow, that also means that there's a 62% chance that it will not rain tomorrow.